Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Okay, so let's begin. Yeah, before beginning, I must tell you all that today I will teach grade 9 history, French Revolution, because most of the people were requesting, they were asking me to teach this chapter on YouTube. So, guys, I cannot actually teach this chapter as this chapter is very long. So today I'll be discussing the important question answers of this chapter. Okay, so I'll be discussing. If you all want me to you know explain this whole chapter, then please mention it in the comment section. Who were the clergies, everyone? We all know that the clergies were the people of the church. Write a short note on French Revolution. You all can write first. You will have to explain everything ki Louis 16 के बारे में. Then you will have to tell ki the important legacies. What are the legacies? Liberty, fraternity and equality. You can explain that. Okay. Now next, explain the subsistence crisis. Yeah, subsistence crisis, everyone. Subsistence crisis. हुआ क्या था subsistence crisis में? Basically, in the 3 years, the population rose so high that the food की population तो rise हो गई, but the food production did not. So what happened was the prices of bread, common salt and all, it was increased too much that a normal person could not afford it. Right? A normal person could not afford it. So see, what happened was that, so this was a subsistence crisis. Next question. Name the king of France during French Revolution. You have your Louis 16. Describe the Declaration of Rights of Man Citizen. Right to freedom, right to speech. What is liberty? Liberty means freedom. Write a brief note on the life of revolutionary women. Yeah, see, जब revolutionary women थी ना, the women, उनकी बहुत हालत खराब थी. The conditions of women were very bad at the time of French Revolution. Why? Number one, because they had no access to education. Right? Number two, पहला तो they had no access to the education. Then they had no political rights. Then also they were married against their wills. Right? Against their wills and so on. Okay. Hope this much is clear to you. Guys, I'm still saying if you want me to explain this whole chapter in detail, do mention in the comment section or I won't explain. Why all hate pastel? Yeah, because they devoted the part to the king. Mentioned some basic rights and yeah. Then यही सब हो गया था. Your schools were open for everyone, right? After this, your schools were open for everyone. All the girls' schools were open. Then they got the political rights and all. Okay. Write a short biography on any one revolutionary figures that you have read about. So many revolutionary figures you have read, guys. So many revolutionary figures you've read. Which ones? You've read about Lewis. You have read about your slave trade. Guillotine. Right? So you have read so many. You can describe any one out of these. Then the next one. Right. Which groups of French society benefited from the revolution? Which groups were forced to, which groups were relinquished to power? Then which sections of society would have been disappointed by the outcome of revolution? So who were happy? Nobles were happy. Nobles were in power, clergies were happy, and the third state wasn't very, they were very disappointed. Okay. Describe the legacy of French Revolution of the people. Yeah, guys, you all know the legacy of the French Revolutions. You have three. You have your fraternity, your liberty, and equality. Then 15th question. Draw up a list of democratic rights enjoyed by those who could be traced from French Revolution. Okay, so there were many democratic rights, like right to speech, right to speech, right to freedom, right? So all of these rights you all got. ठीक है, right to speech, right to freedom, etc. and etc. Then next question. Would you agree with the view that message of universal was best be said with the traditions? Yeah, I would. How would you explain the rise of Napoleon? Yeah, now everyone see what happened was there was yeah, sorry. Yeah, so there was a directory, right? Directory and the legislature who were framed by the middle class people, right? And they often clashed with each other, right? एक डायरेक्टरी फॉर्म हुई थी जब रॉबिस्फेयर मतलब जो गिलोटाइन सिस्टम जब ख़त्म हो गया था, देन डायरेक्टरी पावर में आई थी एंड लेजिस्लेचर, एंड इन दोनों की कभी बनी नहीं. दे क्लैश्ड विद ईच अदर. They clashed with each other. And now what happened when they clashed with each other? Obviously, this led to a political instability, no? एक political instability हो गई थी. Instability which led to the rise of Napoleon. ठीक है? And in which year did Napoleon come? Yes, Napoleon came in the year 1804. ठीक है? And he was defeated in the battle of Waterloo in 15. ठीक है? Explain Tethys and Thales, everyone. Such a simple question. Tethys and Thales. Tethys and Thales, everyone. Tethys are the taxes which are collected by the church. Thales are the normal taxes, which were they were the indirect taxes. Name the author of the book Two Treaties of the Government. Who was he? Yeah, John Locke. We had three. एक था आपका जॉन लॉक, एक था आपका रोज्यू, एंड एक था मॉन्टेस्क्यू. जॉन लॉक ने लिखी थी बुक, कौन सी बुक लिखी थी उसने? टू ट्रीटीज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. रोज्यू ने लिखी थी सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, एंड जो मॉन्टेस्क्यू था उसने लिखी थी वो वाली बुक स्पिरिट ऑफ लॉज. ठीक है? या फाइन. Next, explain middle class. Mention 3 points. So the middle class, first they were trading. They came from trading overseas. They overseas trade करके money करते थे, right? Then yeah, in key they had the thinking that that the rights should be given on the basis of merits of a person, not on the basis of worth. मतलब like अब जो लोग थे वहाँ पे, जो नोबेल्स एंड जो क्लर्जी थे, उनको ऐसी राइट मिली थी, उन्होंने कोई अच्छा काम नहीं करा था. सो जो ये लोग थे मिडिल क्लास, दीज पीपल, दे सेड, उन्होंने कहा दैट कि a person, one must get the rights on the basis of his merits and not on the basis of your birth. ये उसने बेसिकली कहा था, right? And 3, you can say that they used to trade by overseas and all. ठीक है? Yeah, they were educated people. कुछ भी कह लो. Yeah, he used to sell silk and all. I guess here with this I complete the important questions of your French Revolution. If you guys want me to explain this whole French Revolution in detail, everyone, if you want detail, me to explain this chapter in detail, please mention it in the comment box, everyone. Please so that I'll get to know whether you guys have seen my video, you're not seen my video, whatever the reason is. Okay, so I'll meet you up there in my next video. Till then, bye, take care. It's Corona time. Okay, bye everyone.